Namaste, dear friends. Today we will do a short but intense practice of yoga. Please stand in the head of your mat. While inhaling, raise both your hands up, open your chest, look up. Exhale, completely fall forward, down, relax your back, neck and head. Inhale, halfway up, look straight. Exhale, jump to the plank. Go down to chaturanga. Go up to high cobra, your hands straight, open your chest, look up. And from there, downward facing dog, your hands and your spine in one straight line. Bring your heels close to your mat and breathe. Inhale and exhale. We are going to warrior posture 1. Your right leg forward, bend the right knee, bring both hands up and breathe there. Now gently place both your hands down, go back to plank posture, from there chaturanga and high cobra, look up, open your chest. Go back to downward facing dog, your hands and your spine in one straight line, heels on the mat and breathe. We will do the same but to the left side. Warrior 1, bring your left leg forward, bring both your hands up in Namaskar mudra and breathe. Now gently bring both your hands down to the mat, go to plank. From there down to chaturanga and up to high cobra, open your chest, look up. And downward facing dog. Inhale and exhale. Now gently bring your right leg forward, straight both your legs, your right hand up, left on the mat and be there. This is static posture. We will gently twist your spine and stretch both your legs. We will stay here for some time. If it's comfortable for you, you can look to your ceiling. Find your balance and be there. Keep breathing. Now gently bring your right hand to the mat and place your forehead in your right knee. Keep your legs straight and feel a nice stretch in your legs. Gently release, bend your right leg, twist upper part of your body to the right side, make Namaste near your chest and push your left elbow to your right thigh. Feel a nice twist of your spine. You can keep your left leg straight, or if it's too much, you can bend it and place it on the mat. Now gently release left leg on the mat, place both your palms on the right thigh and pulse. Now bend your left leg on the knee, grab it with your right hand in the ankle, left hand will be on the mat, open your chest, look up, and try to bring your left foot close to your body. Gently release, and here sit on your heels, your legs on V position, stretch both your hands and lengthening your spine. Relax completely. Now gently come up and go to downward facing dog. Inhale and exhale. Now gently bring your left leg forward, your both legs will be straight, bring your left hand up to the ceiling, look to the ceiling, and your right hand will be down on the mat. Feel a nice twist of your spine and feel a nice stretch of your legs. Be there and breathe. Now gently release your left hand down and place your forehead on your knee. Your legs remains straight. Now gently release, bend your left leg on the knee, twist upper part of your body to the left side, make Namaste near your chest and push your right elbow to your left thigh. If it's possible, look up. Be there and find your balance. Now very slowly and gently release. Place both your hands in your left thigh. Your right leg will be on the mat and pulse. Bend your right leg on the knee. Grab it with your left hand in the ankle. Right hand on the mat, open your chest, look up, and try to bring your right foot close to your body. Now gently release and go to child posture, or you can sit in your heels, your knees on V position. Stretch your hands, lengthening your spine, and relax yourself completely. Now gently come up, sit in any meditative posture, bow down towards your practice. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you tomorrow. Your Ksenia. Namaste.